Hi, I'm Kit.
And I'm Julie. We're really glad that you found us.
If you've been thinking about a new home in a location that just makes sense,
we'd love to show you River City Villas on the north side of Jacksonville.
It's the kind of place where everything just flows, from your daily routine to how you spend your time.
There's so much right around here, especially at River City Marketplace. Whether you're grabbing dinner, meeting friends, or just running out for a quick errand, everything is right here, close, easy, and part of your everyday rhythm.
So you can spend less time driving and more time actually enjoying where you live. And getting around is just as simple with quick access to I-95.
Plus, easy connections to I-295, so whether you're heading out to work or for the weekend, everything feels within reach. And the homes here at River City Villas are really designed for how you live today.
Inside, you'll find over 1,400 square feet of open, connected space that feels comfortable, relaxed, and easy to live in.
The kind of layout where everything just flows naturally from the kitchen to the living area. The kitchen really becomes the heart of the home, with a large center island that's perfect for cooking, gathering, or just hanging out.
And with all appliances included, everything is ready for you from day one. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, you have the space you need to spread out, recharge, and make it your own.
And your own private patio gives you that extra space to relax, unwind, and enjoy that Florida lifestyle at your own pace.
You'll also have the chance to make it your own, choosing your home site, your finishes, and the details that really reflect your style.
And we do everything we can to make the process feel simple, with mortgage options and closing cost assistance that create real opportunities to save.
Plus, a team that's there to guide you every step of the way, making it feel transparent, straightforward, and really fun. Beyond your front door, you're surrounded by a mix of dining, shopping, and entertainment,
bringing just the right balance of energy and convenience to your day-to-day life.
At the end of the day, it's about finding a home that just fits your life.
And a place that makes it all feel a little easier.
River City Villas does exactly that.
We're so glad you found us. See you soon.